Most people spend their free time scrolling, watching, or just sitting still. Same routine, same weekends.
Totoo yan. Work, bahay, phone, tulog. Paulit-ulit. Minsan, mapapatanong ka na lang, may mas masaya pa ba?
But there's a hobby out here that gets you moving, clears your head, and connect you with people you never would have met otherwise.
Sa video na to, papakita namin kung bakit Gelsoft is becoming a hobby that many people did not even know they needed.
I'm Jay.
And I'm She. Tara, samahan niyo kami as we discover kung bakit patuloy na dumarami ang nahuhumaling sa hobby na ito.
Sugat mga kabayan! Gelsoft gets you moving without feeling like exercise. You run, react, laugh, and think in real time.
At pag nagsimula na yung game, nawawala bigla yung ingay ng mundo. Walang work stress, walang phone stress.
You're not checking notifications, you're not overthinking, you're just in the moment.
Parang reset button talaga. Pag uwi mo, pagod yung katawan mo. Pero yung mental health mo, parang na-refresh. Mas magaan, mas malinaw, mas relax.
Most action hobbies are expensive and intimidating, but Gelsoft is one of the most affordable and accessible ways to experience real world action.
Hindi mo kailangan ng mahal na gamit agad. Pwede ka mag-rent, pwede ka magsimula ng simple.
You don't need the best gear to enjoy the game. Simply show up, learn as you go, and build your experience and gears over time.
Kaya maraming first-timers ang nagugulat kung gaano kabilis silang nauhook.
Every game is built around teamwork, planning, moving, and coordinating with each other. Every round becomes a shared experience.
Hindi ka naglalaro mag-isa. May kasama ka. May tiwala, lahat kayo didiskarte.
And it's not just running and shooting, it's actually solving problems at full speed. You win some games, you lose some games, but every round gives you a story.
At doon nanggagaling yung excitement. Sa sabay-sabay na takbo, sigaw, at tagumpay.
Most people don't stay just because of the game.
Nananatili sila dahil sa community and friendships.
Strangers become teammates,
Teammates nagiging tropa,
and every game creates stories you actually remember.
mga kwentong uulit-ulitin nyo, mga tawanan, mga epic fail at mga panalo, dito nabubuo ang friendship. Dito, nagiging community ang laro.
Gelsoft isn't just for hardcore players.
Pwede dito ang magkakaibigan, magjowa, magkakapatid, pati anak mo masasali mo.
Different ages, different walks of life, same field, same fun.
Hindi lang siya laro, nagiging bonding moment din siya. Memories and moments na sabay niyong binubuo.
It becomes something families can share.
Isang experience na pwedeng balik-balikan tuwing weekend.
So if you've been looking for something new, something active, and something real,
Isang hobby na may action na totoong experience.
this might be it. And if this is something you feel you could enjoy too,
Reach out to us by joining our Facebook group in the description below. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, at i-on ang notification bell para sa mas marami pang content gaya nito.
Thanks for watching.
See you on the next video. Goodbye!
So, beginner po sila. Kamusta yung experience nyo ngayong araw?
Masaya po, tsaka exciting.
Ayun.
Kasi, syempre, first, po namin, sa lugar po kasi namin, walang ganito.
Mm. Tagasan nga po pala.
Taga Tuguegarao po.
Sa Jigaraw.
Actually, nag-enjoy ako super. Kumbaga, even though first timer, so, di man ganun kataas yung expectation. Pero, kumbaga, yung sa game, nag-enjoy ako ng sobra for the community. Okay na okay siya.
Okay, boss.
Sobra. Imbis na yung target lang tinitira sa bahay, makatarget din ng tao. Pero at least in a good way.
Tama. Ilang taon ka na?
10 years old po.
Andito ba yung tatay mo? Yan. So, kamusta as newbie? Kamusta experience mo sa Gelsoft?
Maganda naman po. Tas pag wala pa pong alam sa baril, magpatulong na lang po sa nakakatanda.
Ayun, very good. Ano yung masasabi niyo sa mga newbie na gustong mag-try?
For me, syempre, kung hindi pa nila kaya mag-invest with the gun, try to rent. And then for the gear, syempre, at the same time, hanap kayo ng malapit na community sa inyo. At the same time, yung game site. Then, kumbaga, be friendly lang din sa lahat. Lang naman. Then, enjoy yung every game.
Ayun.
Nagpapag ka? Hindi naman. Hindi ka siya umihingi. Ganun. Doon naman.
Bigla ako nahimatay, alam mo na.
Sakitan lang po, sakitan. Oo. O tara, prayer po muna tayo, pre. Joke lang. Ay boss, ilang buhay? Limited ba? Pag na-hit out na, saan po ang out? Diretso daw sa kotse, pa uwi. Hindi, joke lang. Punta kayo sa kay Mito. Kay Mito daw. Jess! Asa ka, Jess? Boss, may tubig tayo? Ayun,